How to disable wallpaper services on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's video will show you how you can stop showing ads on your lock screen using Samsung Galaxy phone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to disable wallpaper services, simply go and open up the settings app from your Samsung phone, and from the settings homepage, just scroll down to the option wallpaper and style. Inside the wallpaper and style, tap on change wallpaper, and inside this one, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here and you'll get to see the wallpaper services. You just need to select that, and from the list, you just need to select none from here. And once you do that, you just go and tap on apply, and you're pretty much good to go. From now, the lock screen ads or wallpaper services will be disabled from your Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.